To TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, we'll be seeing how to add toolbars and panels in QGIS. So last time we have saved a file. You can see it over here, QGIS Beginners 1. So let me double click and open this file so that we can continue with the previous video. So here I'll be showing you how to add the toolbars and panels in QGIS. In order to do so, go to the option view and come down. You could find the option panels over here. Here you can find some of the panels which are available in QGIS. For example, you can add the layer order. You can see it over here. We have just added the layer order. Likewise, we can add some more panels based on the need. For example, you can add the processing toolbox. You can search in the tools over here, easily find the tools, and you can add some more toolbars like statistics. You can see over here. So I'm removing the layer order, and you can see the statistics of this feature. Using this panel, you can see the statistics. You can select each layer and check the statistics of the layer. Likewise, you can do. I'll add some more panels to the QGIS. Here you can add the layer style. So layer style, you can find it over here. You can customize the layers. You can select the colors using this. So this will be covering in the upcoming videos. So you can also place this panels anywhere where you find it easier. For example, you just need to by pressing this button, you can just dispatch the panels. You can carry it and put it on the region which you are interested in. For example, I can just put it over here. You can just see the blue color is highlighted, so that place you can lay on the panel bar. You can easily lay out the panel bar over here. As you can see over here, the panel has been laid. You can adjust the size of this panel. If you don't want it, you can just remove it. Likewise, you can put the panels anywhere in the QGIS. You can just check over here. You can place it anywhere. So that's why I'm showing you how to place this. Okay, so I have put this toolbox. If you want, you can remove the statistics by pressing this button, dispatching it, and bring it. You can just keep it in below of the processing toolbox or above the processing toolbox. So likewise you can do. So let me close this toolbox. Sorry, panel. So I have closed the panel section. Now let me show you how to add the toolbars. So once again, go to the option view, come down. You could find the option toolbar over here. Here you can add a lot of tools. For example, if you want to digitize a lake, a road, you can use this digitizing toolbar. You can find it. You can easily place this toolbar anywhere. You can place it here. You can also, if you want, you can also place it like this. You can arrange the toolbars however you like it. You can arrange the toolbars. So let me show you some more tools. You can add in plugin toolbars, label toolbars. So you can see we can label, using this we can label the features. Snap toolbar, raster toolbar, and attribute toolbar. You can add the attribute toolbar as well. You can see it over here. Open attribute table. Likewise. So this is how we'll be adding the toolbars and the panels in QGIS, and you can always customize these panels. You can put it in any part of the QGIS. You can put it here, you can put it on the top, you can just customize it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching TerraSpatial. Please do subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.